Hello everyone, we are going to discuss fixtures in drilling.
Objectives. At the end of this video, you will be able to 1. Locate the workpiece in a jig. 2. Drill the hole on MS channel. 3. Check for the accuracy. Let us discuss the machineries and tool required for this practical. Lathe machine. 1. Drilling machine. 1. Bench vise. 1. Drill bits 5 to 12 mm 1 set. Vernier caliper 1. Steel rule 300 mm 1. File flat 10 inch 1. Let us discuss on fixtures for drilling. A fixture is a production tool used to locate accurately and to hold securely one or more workpieces so that the required machining operations can be performed. A fixture should be securely fastened to the table of the machine upon which the work is done. The main purpose of a fixture is to locate the work quickly and accurately, support it properly, and hold it securely. Common types of fixtures used for the machining operations are 1. Milling fixture. 2. Turning fixture. 3. Grinding fixture. Base plate. The base plate for a milling fixture is provided with tenons at its bottom for proper location of the fixture with the machine table through T-slots. 2 or 4 hold-down slots are provided in the base plate for rigid clamping of the fixture with the machine table. Standard clamps and locators. These are provided for clamping and locating the workpieces with the fixture. As in the case of drill jigs, the clamps used in the fixtures are very rigid and sturdy. The setting blocks. These are used to position the fixture and work relative to the cutter before machining. A feeler is introduced between the cutter and the setting faces of the block for correct positioning of the cutter with the fixture. Balancing weight. This is used dynamically, balancing the irregular workpiece fixed to the turning or cylindrical grinding fixture. In the case of a turning fixture, normally the base plate of the fixture is clamped to the face plate. Vise fixture. Standard machine vices attached with special jaws provide an easy method of holding parts for machining. Other types of tooling used for positioning parts relative to each other for fabricating purposes are also commonly referred to as fixtures. Bending fixtures, assembly fixtures, and welding fixtures are examples of this type. The construction of a fixture depends upon the machining and fabricating methods employed. Classification of fixtures. Fixtures are classified by the type of machine on which they are used. If a fixture is made for a milling machine, it is called a milling fixture. Some of the most commonly used fixtures are turning fixture, milling fixture, welding fixture, boring fixture, assembly fixture, inspection fixtures, etc. The elements of jigs and fixtures are 1. Location, 2. Clamping, 3. Tool guiding or setting, 4. Body base or frame. Types of fixtures. Plate fixture. These are the simplest form of fixtures. It is made from a flat plate which has locator and clamps to locate and hold the part. Angle plate fixture. This fixture is used for machining the part at right angle to the locator. Modified angle plate fixture. This fixture is used for machining the part at angles other than 90 degrees. Vice jaw fixture. This fixture is used for machining small parts. The standard vice jaws are replaced with jaws that are made to suit the work. Indexing fixtures. These fixtures are used for parts that require machining on evenly spaced surfaces. Use of fixtures. A great deal of importance is placed today on improving productivity in manufacturing processes. Application of jigs and fixtures has contributed a lot towards this direction. Fixtures are devices used in manufacturing or assembling. They also facilitate in carrying out special operations accurately. Fixture is a production tool that locates and holds the workpiece. It does not guide the cutting tools, but the tools can be positioned before cutting with the help of setting blocks and feeler gauges, etc. Fixtures of different types are made for 1. Milling, 2. Turning, 3. Grinding, 4. Welding, 5. Assembly, 6. Bending, etc. Let us discuss in practical. Step 1. Make top plate. Step 2. Make hook bolt. Step 3. Make knob. Step 4. Make jig bush. Step 5. Drill jig assembly. Step 6. Remove the top plate from the plate jig. Step 7. Locate component between the hook bolt and touch with stopper pin. Step 8. Clamp the top plate with the knobs. Step 9. Drill diameter of 6 by 4 numbers. Step 10. Remove the top plate. Step 11. Take out the component from the jig. Step 12. Check the component with a vernier caliper.
In this video, we have discussed the basics of fixtures, their features and type, how to locate a workpiece and a jib, drill the hole on MS channel and check for accuracy.